The snowman from last week, it died. Today's a beautiful day, so we came for a walk. All dogs must be on a leash. I was not there last year. Water is fast. They're so noisy. What do you think they're saying?
I will turn this formation around.
We there yet?
Don't make me turn this formation around.
As soon as we turned this corner, the goose started making lots of loud noises, and they have little baby gooses. So let's see if we get attacked.
My legs are cold.
They are. Definitely should have worn different shoes. Stare them down. Ah! We came to some water that we can't get around.
Get around it.
Can't go over it. Can't go under it. Have to go through it. Brady's gonna run and jump and then put that bail for me because I guess he's chivalrous. Oh, wonderful. Oh. Bum.
Thought you were though.
Well, okay, there's still wet, so. This one is my next target. That's me. I know, right? This is why it is so wet. When these things come out of the ground, this is what tumbleweeds are. Oh, see, it's already almost there. Come out of the ground, and then it's gonna tumble around in the wind.
Disperses its seeds.
It's seed. We're going for another walk today at the Legislative Building because it's very nice out.
Yeah, there's a goose nestled in the lawn.
Aww. He's cuddled in there. Okay, well, let's go.
This is us walking.
Gonna be okay? Still ice on the water. Brady's in shorts. It's actually plus 15 today though, so it's like nice. Kind of. It's very windy though.
It is right now here.
Yeah, it's a little chilly. The ice. I think so. Whoa, where'd Brady go? There he is.
Get away from the wind.
I know.
We'll just continue the walk when we get back.
Brady's trying to convince me to lie. Bunny.
We'll come back. We'll never come back.
Oh, we'll come back? I assume you wouldn't want to come back because we have to drive all the way back.
Well, it's my fault.
It is. Brady forgot a jacket and he's too cold. It's too windy, so we need to go get something for him to be warm. So we're on the way back home. Then we're gonna come back. Well, that's the haps. Silly Brady. Not anymore. Back home we go.
Yeah.
We're back home now. Brady's eating some sugary toast for his diabetes too.
That's right.
That's right.
Getting past GSG.
Sure. There you go.
Ah, good host iced tea. Keeping Brady alive since 2004.
That's how long you've been diabetic for?
Yep. I was 7. No, 8. Sorry, 8. About then.
About then. Back at it. Now we're back.
What do you mean? Did a lap and now we're back.
Oh, Oh, yeah, right, yeah. Hi, Goosey. Hi. There's a little cute ducky standing on the ice, and then it looks like there's a goose frozen in the ice. Look at that. That guy is getting food and stuff ready for them. Oh damn, they know where the fuck to go. I want to see if there's eggs in it. I tried to see if there was eggs in that bird's nest, but it was full of leaves. We came to the art tunnel.
This reminds me of that one scene in Harry Potter.
This used to be an empty part. Like, do you remember they had left this section open? That's so fun. Oh.
That wasn't so bad.
Yeah.
Well, it got the slide.
Yeah, your phone slid. Not Brady though.
Well, at least it went down the backside too.
Yeah, that was lucky.
Glad I faced the front of it.
Yeah.
I thought that'd be a fun tunnel, but it's just nothing.
Yeah, that looks really creepy though, honestly.
Oh yeah.
We came back up to the top, but now we're going back through because it's easier than crossing the busy road. That was sick, bro. It's so nice outside.
When you're dressed appropriately.
That's right. I walk into the water. Beaver! Nature.
How about you?
Yeah, chill. Yeah, we just saw a beaver. The animal kind. Nature. Beaver's out of the water. It's up ahead of us. We saw it swimming in the water over there. Yeah. You're so cute. He's biting the tree.
Oh my god.
Bye, beaver. See you later.
It's a seagull that died.
Oh, yeah. That was so fun. Hey, what's up, you guys? I was just at Red Lobster with my best friend, my best childhood friend. She doesn't really like to be on video and stuff, so I didn't like vlog with her, but we just went to Red Lobster. And I knew this morning when I went to work, but I knew this morning when I went to work. We figured this out this morning when I went out to go to work. They were doing street cleaning, street sweeping this morning, and I forgot to move my car. So they towed it, and now I have to pay
$85.
on top of everything. What the fuck? It's my fault though. It's literally my fault. So anyway, now I have to drive illegally to move my car because they towed it over here, and Brady had to drop me off at it. Brady looked for it during the day when I was at work, and he couldn't find it, and we literally just found it within like a minute. Yeah, but okay. Now I have to drive illegally because I don't have a license right now, as everybody knows. So yeah. Make sure you pay your tickets. Holy fuck. I'm sure most people pay their tickets when they're supposed to and they don't forget. But if you're somebody that forgets things, Don't forget that, because I did. It done fucked me up. But anyway, I need to illegally move my car back to my apartment now. Hello again. I'm home now. It's a couple hours later. The last couple minutes of the video are the last few things I did in April. The friend who I was just out with tonight, it was her birthday a couple weeks ago in April. And we didn't see each other then. We saw each other like now, since it was her birthday. Doesn't actually have anything to do with her, but this is me on the day of her actual birthday. Yeah, I went splashing in puddles. And I can't really make a video without Basil, obviously. So this is just a bit of Basil. I've been trying to train Basil to do a trick.
Wow, big bite.
Oh.
Oh, shit. Vicious.
Oh, look at that one of his teeth marks. Aww. Oh, I thought you said lettuce again. Oh, you're like lettuce. I was like, it's not lettuce. He eats lettuce. He eats greens. Thanks, baby. Basil, no.
Oh.
You can't eat it. Okay, no. We were gonna be having Easter today with my fam, but everybody has COVID, so we didn't. So my Uncle Dave just dropped by with a bunch of food. These are scalloped potatoes, apple crisp and apple crisp. Eggs, adorable. This is ham, obviously. Another cute egg. And, oh, why are you ripping it apart? Egg. There's like some feta and tomato buns and some asparagus. Thank you for watching. I'm super tired and I need to go to bed. So, good night. I passed 250 subscribers the other day. Thank you. If you recently subscribed, thank you. I remember literally passing 50 subscribers. It wasn't even that long ago. Now I'm passing 250.